Girls, you're gonna start out by choosing 2 of each shape. So maybe I want 2 rectangles. Maybe I want 2 circles, and I get to choose 1 more shape to choose 2. Maybe I want to do 2 triangles. So you're gonna have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna practice your cutting skills. So you're gonna start by holding your scissors, your thumb in this hole, your pointer finger out, and your other 3 fingers in this hole. Remember, your scissors always need to be facing away from you. Sit up straight, hold your paper in the other hand, and you're gonna start by cutting out your shapes. I'm just gonna follow the line that is already drawn for me. There's 1. I'm gonna cut out every single one of my shapes. There's 2. Now remember, when you cut, you wanna move the paper, especially if it's a circle. I'm moving the paper instead of my scissors. My scissors are staying in the same place the whole time. There's 3. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get a white piece of paper that looks like this, a big piece of white paper, and you're gonna glue your shapes down. Before you glue them down, you wanna try to find a great spot for each shape. Try to separate your triangles and your circles and your other shapes. Maybe I want 1 here, 1 facing like this. Okay, I like it like that. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use your glue stick. So open it up, roll it up just a little bit, and put glue on the backs. Make sure you put glue around the shape and then glue it down. Next, you want to roll your glue stick back down and make sure you hear the clicking noise to make sure the cap is on. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to practice tracing around your shapes so you get to the feel of how to draw each shape. So if I have yellow triangles, I need a yellow marker. I need purple marker and a blue marker. Now that I have my 3 colors, I'm going to start by tracing each shape. So if I have my purple, I'm going to trace my purple rectangles. Go right around it. After I've traced those once, I'm going to move on to my next color. Here's yellow, so I'm going to trace over my yellow triangles. Here's my blue, and now I'm going to trace around my blue circles. Then I'm going to go back to the first color and continue tracing around. Leave a little white space in between your tracings. You're going to continue to do this with each color. Now once you start to run into the other shapes, you're going to keep going with the same pattern that you started with. So maybe I'm going to do this, but I don't want to draw over top of my shape. So I'm going to lift up my marker and connect it to that yellow shape. Same with this one. I'm going to start and just connect it to my blue. You're going to continue to do this until all the lines are filling your paper. By the time you're done, it should look something like this. Have fun!